We spend a lot of time internally on our key enabling technologies. One of the most important areas there is our Meru battery pack that powers the Maker aircraft. We've designed our battery packs to be the highest performance and safest aerial batteries in the world. Let's bring in Tom Muniz, our Chief Operating Officer, to talk more about our batteries.
Hey everybody, I'm Tom Muniz. I'm the COO here at Archer. I've been working on these eVTOL aircraft for the last 10 years. So the Archer aircraft is really enabled by advancements that have happened over the last 15 or 20 years in batteries and motors. A good example of that is the battery for our Maker aircraft here, which uses the same lithium-ion battery chemistry that you'll find, in automotive today. One of the differences, though, is we've optimized the battery pack for higher power than is typical in cars. And the reason for that is because when the aircraft takes off vertically and lands vertically, we just need more power. But we're not waiting on any future advancements. We're just leveraging existing commercialized technologies and applying them to our unique application in the Archer vehicle. Super excited to be at Archer, where we're all focused on commercializing this technology and bringing an aircraft to market as soon as possible.
We'd like to introduce you to Jeff Bauer, our Chief Engineer, who's going to walk us through our key enabling technologies.
Here at Archer, we use computational fluid dynamics, or CFD, to model the airflow around the vehicle. This allows us to predict the forces and moments that act on the vehicle, like lift and drag, and estimate the performance, and really design the best vehicle we can for an efficient hover and cruise. One of the biggest questions we get is where's the pilot seat in the Maker aircraft? The Maker is a demonstrator vehicle, so we are building it to fly autonomously to really learn about the ideal future state that we want to get to with these vehicles. So one of our other goals here at Archer is to really look ahead both to certification and production. So we're giving a lot of thought to the design of the vehicle such that it is easy to manufacture and produce.
We've been designing our aircraft for certification since day one. I'd like to introduce you to Eric Wright, who leads our certification efforts, who's working with the FAA to bring our plane to market.
Archer is building a transportation system of the future. People are really excited about it. And even on the regulator side, there's a lot of excitement for the technology that we're bringing, the new ways of thinking about how we have to operate vehicles and how we operate in the airspace. So there's a lot of really great things coming out of this type of project that has been in works for many years, but we are at the state now that technology is ready to put this vehicle into the National Airspace System. And so that's an exciting time for history, and I think the FAA is ready for change as well.